Okay, so I think we're beginning to get the hang of how this works now. So I've written this little bit of code for you because I think you're beginning to understand how this works. We don't need to keep going over the same things again and again. So what I've got here now is a variable that I've called list of vowels, and it has A, E, I, O, but I'm missing the final letter from that list of vowels, which is U. Okay, so I've created here on line 4 a variable that I've called x equals list of vowels, and here's the new thing we're looking at. So the other one had something called append, and what that does is it just adds an extra thing on the end of the list. What this allows you to do is insert something in your list at the index that you want it to go in. So rather than just attaching it to the end, you can basically put it in the middle, wherever you like, as long as you specify the index. So if you remember, computers start counting at 0. So if I say list of vowels dot insert, what I'll end up with is U appearing right at the beginning here before the A. So let's run that. So I've got U, A, E, I, O. That's not right though, is it? So let's work out where this needs to go in terms of our index. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I need it to go position 4. So I have A, E, I, O, U because that's the correct order alphabetically. So let's run that again. I have A, E, I, O, U. Now, another simple thing you can do if you have something in there that shouldn't be in there, for example, like that H. So now I have A, E, I, O, U, H. Well, that's not right, is it? That H shouldn't be in there. I need to basically get that out. So we just use something called remove. So if I just copy this line here and paste that back in, change the name of the variable, otherwise things are going to get really, really confusing. And I just want to remove that letter that I don't want to be in there. So all I have to do is just say, can you take out the H? And then I'll just get it to print that list of vowels one more time so we can see the difference. Okay, run it. Oh, needed to change that to remove. Okay, that's what happens when you copy and paste. So there's a lesson for you. So I've got A, E, I, O, U, and H in my original list because it's given us this. In fact, let's print this as well and we'll see how the whole thing works. So we start off with A, E, I, O, H, which was their original list. Then we added or inserted a position for U, A, E, I, O, U. Still got the H. And then finally, we did dot remove the H and printed it again, and it gave us A, E, I, O, U and binned the letter that we told it we didn't want to appear anymore. So that's basically how you insert at a specific index in your list. And if you want to get rid of something that shouldn't be in there, you just remove it. So dot insert, dot remove.